chaotic and devastating scene played out today that has people far from home tonight. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Amanda Barron. Rob has the evening off. Some of the most vulnerable today had to put their items in garbage bags, employees say, and were forced to leave their assisted living facilities. 13 News reporter Lane Ball was there.
A tough day filled with tears, confusion, and disbelief.
It was a shock. I mean, it crazy, you know, like what happening, you know.
Lisa Caldwell is an employee with Grayson Assisted Living Facilities in Huntington and Lavalette. Wednesday, she not only packed up belongings of vulnerable residents she cares for, she also watched as ambulances and shuttles took them out of the place they call home.
They had to wait until yesterday to let us know and then come down and take our residents out of here today. And I've seen my supervisor break down on me a couple times today, and I broke down, and it's been a really hard situation today.
Another employee tells 13 News they learned Tuesday that the owners planned to shut down in December because they didn't have enough staff. Now employees are also out of jobs, but for now, their focus is on the people who were ripped from their homes and sent elsewhere. I watched as residents in the facility were placed into vehicles. They were crying as they left, many with their belongings in garbage bags. Meanwhile, the facility's representatives say they are not commenting on the situation at this time.
I just hope wherever they're going that they're going to be taken care of and treated well, and knowing that we here at Grayson's loved them.
A love that could not stop an abrupt ending to their time at this home.
It's been heartbreaking for the past 2 days.
As they now face an uncertain future. Reporting in Huntington, Lane Ball, 13 News.
Now, the state says they were given notice that the owner planned to close in 30 days. Tonight, it's not clear when that notice was given. We asked tonight, and the DHHR told us that the state licensure rule requires that licensee shall give residents notice of a file and copy of the notice in the resident's record of the 30-day written notice prior to discharge unless an emergency situation arises. That requires the resident's transfer to a hospital or other higher level of care, or if the resident is a danger to himself or others. The licensee shall assist the resident to find an alternative placement that is appropriate to the resident's individual needs as identified by the service plan. Now, we will work to get more information tomorrow about the how and why this closure happened.